Yeah, I'm recording it. Right, this guy's sweating. This is part 1 Need for Speed Epic Races. Part 2 Need for Speed Epic Races.
Oh, I've got some shit. Ray-Bans. What was this chick?
epicODOG boner. I'm joking.
Oh, can you stop
it? For a man.
Just a man with a nice foot job.
I'd take my glasses off. Oh, do you want help filling it up?
Oh no.
This is juicy.
She's looking at me.
Oh no.
This is juicy stuff, boys.
Juicy.
We'll have to put 18 plus on this video.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we got a cheeky kiss from her.
Do you think they do it on bonnet? I think they could do it on bonnet for them.
Jack, get back in the ring.
Will they a distraction?
Yeah.
See? Too much bird watching.
Jack, you got to overtake them.
Shut up.
Circle. Right, go, have him.
Go.
Nicky. Jack, you got to have him. This one's got a fast cabin at them. Just ditch your friend that's alright. Oh no, friend's catching up.
You've got better cars than me.
No, your BMW is like death. BMW. What the hell are you doing? My goal now.
The car went down there.
Yeah, but you should have gone around as well. Jack, it's just baked. Well, we got 4 resets last night.
Sorry.
Went through that character. Got inside there.
You're outside there, mate.
Inside, yeah.
Outside.
You drive on the left hand side of the road in America.
You drive on the right.
You drive on the left, yeah.
You drive on the left in England.
Cars are left and drive.
What kind of road do you drive on?
I don't know, but
You drive on the left.
Oh, what?
Driving right.
Driving right here, you drive on the left in America. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you do that.
What are them two broken things, man?
All those chicks.
Those chicks, I can't like Monday.
Oh, and I don't like to get beat by chicks, I told you one. Less grueling, more racing.
Oh.
These chicks are at race.
See, I knew you were doing this.
Nah.
On 2 wheels.
Got no.
No, I got no. Don't make me sweat. Don't pass the car,
No. Little boost that up.
Get to 150th position. Rivals fast. Oh my god.
Well,
that's 150th position. I need to get to it. Right, end of the race. No, you stupid van. Come here. Oh, bloody hell. We just cops on me now. I've got a mile to do it, Josh.
You need to save your north foot end.
What?
It's obviously right.
Oh shoot, this car is too far.
That's copper.
Yeah.
How come we can't go that fast?
I don't know.
Yes. No.
Oh, the boy.
I did it.
Stay focused, Jack. Now we have to get to Chicago in top 50.
In the top 50. I've got to knock down 100 places.
60. Oh no, yeah.
100
Yeah,
places.
sorry.
150 off. Oh, that was good.
It like laughed out and you'll do like 1v1. Did you get that?
Yeah.
See? They think that snake guy will be first. It'd be good if it were, wouldn't it?
Bring back all the.
Just bringing back all new speed carbons here, aren't we?
Carboners. It's top 3,130 again.
I'm just chilling.
Last.
I don't think we'll do it, you know, like 32 minutes on this time.
No.
We've already done 5 minutes. We'll do it about
20.
8 minutes on. 10 minutes on.
Do end of this race.
No, it's 15.
Do it to end of this race.
Yeah, end of this race.
Mum.
He's ready.
Oh,
Yeah. Josh read that on top for me.
what's on my mind?
Chilling.
Yeah, Josh, you can't see it. Oh, how is that? We got a game on it. It's we got a game on.
Is it? I want that car, don't you? I thought that sort of car would be curved. Do you think so?
Oh, what corner? Maybe Mustang.
They're getting pretty sick cars now, aren't
Yeah. I'm getting 2 submissions
they? I
out.
want to see Snake real bad.
It might not even be Snake yet.
I want it to be Snake.
Tomorrow, I will just ring you now.
Really now.
Saints Row, maybe Battlefield. Maybe.
I don't like that.
MrBinksGaming.com. Oh, .com.
I think have we got our rocking.co.uk?
I reckon I know.
What do you mean we're not rocking?
Not rocking.
Can't rush it well.
We're not singing in the shower.
Firing gun in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
We've got one like
Changes.
yeah,
Not check out the car.
that's one. Too Fast, Too Furious.
Yeah. No, no.
Yeah, we watched Too Fast, Too Furious. Pretty sick film. I think.
It's actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Kinda.
I think they should do Too Fast, Too Furious like this.
Yeah, so, what in game?
I like Too Fast, Too Furious, the video game. Pretty sick, isn't it?
Whoa, what the?
Can you do what colour your car is and everything?
I'm just dodging over. What the hell? I can't drive. My steering's gone. My steering's gone. Whoa, the steering has gone. Right, I think we'll restart. One last go for me, and then it's Josh.
Right.
And then we'll hand over to Jack.
Nice, and then we'll hand over towards.
Actually, 2 goes. We'll have 2 goes.
Shall we take it in races or girls?
Go back.
Yeah, because you only do it in 2, don't you?
What the hell? Out of that car? Can you pull out? Move!
Oh, the car there. You told me.
That robot. Get on me. Ugh. What the hell? What the hell is going on?
I don't know it.
What's getting harder and harder like in carbon? Oh, good one.
Carbon. Oh no.
No, I didn't. I lost out by 1 position. 1 place.
Try again.
Come on, Josh. Try again.
Take.
I'll stay for you.
What are you two doing?
So I need this one.
Oh, you know your girlfriend? I've got some questions to ask you. Your girlfriend, where would you take her for your first date?
I don't have a girlfriend.
No, but if you did.
Nachos.
Nachos.
Nando's.
Nando's.
I'd take her.
Nando's, and then you go to, you know, that.
Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, then you go back to Nando's. You know, your little plan.
I'd take it to Bounty House.
What else? You do it.
I think my girlfriend looks nice food.
Yeah. It's actually pretty nice, is that? Bounty House or Balti House or whatever it is. Okay, 10 positions, Josh.
You know that it basically
It's past.
begs in food. Your chicken kebab. You know chicken
You can
kebab?
have your chicken kebab. So you're having your chicken kebab.
And it's Desperate.
You're just
Shut
shoving,
up, your ass.
you're just shoving some sweet chili sauce on it.
What are you
Just to
doing?
make it,
Are you
make
in?
it a bit crispy.
What are you shooting?
I go for like it round, mister.
Yeah, he's not joking, mate.
Where's my own?
I thought you were turning men into that. Come on, Josh, pass him. That's it. You just wrecked your cock fire, it's alright.
Where's my
Josh, right
own?
turn. Left turn. You are so lucky that car were there. Straight, 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 straight. Another car! They were caught undercover. You didn't need to do that. Now you do, now you do. Do it, do it, do it. Drive. Go, 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 go. Right, there's a roadblock ahead. Don't ram him.
Stay on top of it.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? Let's do it.
Oh, oh, look at him go. Just go for it middle.
Can't be arsed, mate.
Do you want to get on you?
Come on, mate.
Josh got 0.2 miles to do it. You got no miles to do it. Jack!
Yeah, no. Next video on. Next video. On next video.
Alright, we'll bring you another video on this. You know, just
No, I think I said
desperate.
it.